Welcome to our channel. Today, I'll show you how to link your PlayStation Network (PSN) account to your EA account in just a few simple steps. Step 1. Turn on your PlayStation and make sure you're logged into your PSN account. Step 2. Open a web browser on your console, PC, or mobile device and go to EA's official website at ea.com. Step 3. Log in to your EA account. If you don't have one, select Create an EA account and follow the prompts. Step 4. Once logged in, go to Account Settings and select Connections, then choose PlayStation Network. Step 5. Enter your PSN credentials and authorize the connection. Your accounts are now linked. You'll be able to access your EA games, progress, and content across platforms. That's it. Linking your PSN to EA is quick and ensures your progress is saved no matter where you play. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more quick and easy gaming tutorials.